The other thing is when you slide this in, when you first slide it in from here, and then when you slide it in from this side, what happens is it displaces this uh, plastic. There's a tab here which it displaces, and this thing falls out from the bottom. But it's very easy, you just can replace this back in once you install the bulb holder. All you do is just replace this black in, and it should click in place from the inside like this, and then both are ready. And the bulb holders are also in place.